Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video I will teach you how to remove widget from your home screen in your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is select the widget you want to remove to your home screen. And okay guys, so I decide to remove the Google search bar widget. And okay guys, you only have to do is press the widget you want to remove and the pop-up are show. And okay guys, you can see the delete icon. Okay, you'll have to do is select the delete or remove from home icon. And okay guys, so okay. And okay guys, we have successfully removed the widget from your home screen in your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.